Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Whitehead Remover is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products for those struggling with clogged pores and blemishes. Today, we will review and compare some of the top-rated Whitehead Removers on the market, helping you find the perfect solution to achieve clear, healthy-looking skin. We will analyze their effectiveness, ingredients, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. JPNK Blackhead Remover Kit. This kit is your new secret weapon for clear, healthy-looking skin. It's designed to help remove blackheads, acne, and blemishes gently and effectively. With 6 different tools, it targets various skin imperfections. Each tool is expertly crafted for precision and control. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. The anti-slip handles provide a comfortable and secure grip. The professional design makes it easy to use, even for beginners. The tools are perfectly weighted for precise removal of blemishes. The included leather case keeps everything organized and makes it easy to take it with you wherever you go. It's perfect for travel or at-home use. This kit is simple to use, but if you have any questions, we're here to help. Contact us for assistance or guidance. What we like. This kit offers various tools to address different blemishes. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity. If you appreciate a complete, portable solution for blemish removal, this is the one for you. What people say. The 6 stainless steel tools come in a variety of shapes and sizes, providing versatility to target different areas of the face. The anti-slip handles make them easy to control, allowing for precise extraction without slipping and causing unintended skin damage. The tools are made from rust-resistant stainless steel, ensuring durability and hygiene when used properly. They come neatly stored in a compact leather case, making this kit easy to carry or store in a purse, bag, or bathroom drawer, perfect for at-home use or travel. Only had to use these twice, but they work great and you have a variety of shapes and sizes to choose from depending on your need. Watched an episode of Dr. Pimple Popper and Dr. Lee used a similar tool. Easy to use. Number 4. Facial Scrubber Spatula. This innovative device gently cleanses your face, removing dirt and impurities for a radiant complexion. It's the perfect tool for a deep clean and healthy-looking skin. It offers 4 different modes: deep cleansing and nutrient absorption. Choose the setting that best suits your skincare needs for optimal results. With its built-in 5-minute auto-off timer, it ensures you never overtreat your skin. It automatically shuts off to prevent any irritation. This device is rechargeable via USB, making it incredibly convenient to use anywhere. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel. Made from 100% safe stainless steel, it's gentle on your skin. It comes with everything you need for a complete and effective facial cleansing experience. The package includes the scrubber, a USB charging cable, 2 silicone cleaning cases, and a user manual. Everything you need to get started is included. For best results, moisten your face before use. Remember to always charge it with a DC5V0.5A charger and never use while charging. What we like. It features multiple modes for deep cleansing and nutrient absorption. The auto-off function prevents overtreatment. If you value convenience and technology in your skincare routine, this is a great option. What people say. Nice slim design, can't wait to try it. First thing, it's easy to hold in your hand while letting it cleanse your skin. Second, since using this just over a week, I've noticed a clearer complexion. Third, it really helped to get the gunk out of my skin and the stuck blackheads that were on my nose. I had the hardest time getting those out, but after using this it was a breeze. This product really got all of my deep blackheads out. Fourth, I've noticed where the blackheads were, those pores are becoming less noticeable and are almost smoothed out and diminishing. It leaves your skin soft to touch, smoother, brighter and clean. My face was red and irritated the day after, like with any facial treatment, but luckily it was covered with a mask all day anyway. Once the irritation went away, my skin felt a lot smoother, brighter and seemed very glowy. Now, a couple weeks later, I swear my pores have shrunk as they are smaller and less visible than they have been since, ever. I didn't know how much I needed this item. I wish I'd bought one like 10 years ago. I am super satisfied. I love how it feels on my face. It helps to clean up any dirt and oil that may be causing blemishes on my face. This is very effective, helps to reduce the blackheads, and keep skin feeling generally cleaner. Number 3. TAYTHI Blackhead Remover Tool Kit. This kit is your new secret weapon against stubborn blackheads and blemishes. It's designed to help you achieve clearer, healthier-looking skin with ease. It features 5 different tools, each with a unique shape to target various types of imperfections. This ensures you have the right tool for every blemish. Made from electroplated stainless steel, it's hypoallergenic and won't irritate even the most sensitive skin. You can use it with confidence. The anti-slip handle provides excellent grip and control, allowing for precise extraction, minimizing the risk of skin damage. It helps you achieve the best results. The kit comes in a convenient metal case, keeping everything organized and clean. It's small enough to take with you wherever you go. Always ensure your blemishes are mature before using it, and remember to sanitize the tools before and after each use with rubbing alcohol for hygiene. What we like. Each tool has 2 working ends to tackle various blemish types. The hypoallergenic design is suitable for sensitive skin. If you prioritize hygiene and versatility in your blackhead removal tools, this is a good choice. What people say. The tools it comes with are of good quality. They are heavier than the one I previously had and do not bend when using them. These are pretty high-quality blackhead removers. They come in a nice case that holds everything pretty well. Strong, easy to use, and it works. It's good to have the pointy one also. Number 2. 2 PCS Pimple Popper. This blackhead remover set contains 2 tools, perfectly sized to tackle different blemishes. It's designed for precise and effective removal of blackheads and whiteheads. These tools are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and hygiene. The polished finish prevents skin damage and scarring. The anti-slip handles provide exceptional control and precision, minimizing the risk of skin damage. You'll be able to target blemishes with ease. This pimple extractor is designed to be gentle on your skin. It effectively removes blemishes without causing pain or scarring. Keep these tools away from children due to sharp points. Minor bleeding may occur. Simply apply gentle pressure with a clean cotton pad to stop it. What we like. It includes 2 differently sized tools for precision. The stainless steel build is easy to clean and sterilize. If you prefer a simple, yet effective, tool with a comfortable grip, this is for you. What people say. Use the smaller loop to remove tonsil stones gently, use the pick to pop pimples, use the other loop to pop small white or blackheads, and the medium loop to pop ingrown hairs. Durable, easy to use, paper that explains how to use them properly, strong metal. These tools are amazing. I used the pressure circle to remove the blackheads on my nose. I didn't have to push down hard at all, and it is very easy to take the blackhead out. There is another sharp needle tool that is very sharp and pointy. I used it to prick my ants and pimple on my face, and it worked so well. No pain at all. Number 1. WSYUB Blackhead Tweezers Kit. This kit is your new secret weapon for clear skin. It includes 3 different tools to tackle all types of blemishes, no matter where they are. It has a straight tweezer, perfect for surface blemishes. There's also an angled and curved tweezer for those stubborn spots. The straight tweezers are ideal for easily accessible blackheads and pimples. Gently remove them for a smoother complexion. Use the curved tweezers for those hard-to-reach spots, like blemishes on the sides of your nose. It's designed for precision. The angled tweezers are perfect for flat areas like your forehead and chin. They provide the perfect angle for easy removal. These tools are made of high-quality stainless steel, making them easy to clean and suitable for all skin types. They're durable and long-lasting. While we take great care in packaging, there's a small chance of damage during shipping. If you receive a defective item, please contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This set provides 3 uniquely shaped tools for various blemish locations. The durable stainless steel is safe for all skin types. If you need precision tools for different areas of your face, this kit is ideal. What people say. Excellent quality material for very inexpensive price. Works very well at getting blackheads out and small hairs. These works wonders. They are very sharp and really does what they say they do. The curved forceps makes pulling on the cover slips in the wells a breeze, and the jeweler's forceps allows fine manipulation of cover slips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.